Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways to block someone on Discord. In order to block a user on Discord, it's a very simple process. All you need to do is make sure to watch this video to the end and follow the instruction as guided. So then to block a contact, all you have to do is just go ahead and open up a server first of all. And after that, you'll need to, when you are a server owner, you can simply block any of the users. So all you have to do is just right click on the particular user's name and then a list of menu appears. So from the list, you'll need to go ahead and tap the block button. As soon as you do that, the following user will be blocked, and along with that, he or she will also not be able to join any of the servers that you own. So in this way you can block a user, and similarly if you want to unblock a user, you can go to the home page and click the block button, and here you'll be able to find the users that you've blocked on Discord. And similarly, in order to unblock it, you can just go ahead and tap the unblock button, or you can just right click on the profile name and then tap the unblock button. So in this way you can block or unblock someone on Discord. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.